look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we're going to take a journey for the next year, and it's going to be real, it's going to be authentic, and at times it's going to be a bit weird. Today's topic that I want to talk to you about is finding inspiration to be able to do your creativity in unexpected places. Short list of some places that were unexpected, that I did not plan on, that crushed some absolutely amazing photo shoots were a bathroom at a recording studio, the garbage dumpster area at the back of the Beverly Center. Did an amazing portrait of a guitarist from the Philippines there. The middle of Hollywood Boulevard. Let's see here. Disney amphitheater in the middle of the day, and it was totally unusual for the lighting. The list goes on and on. It could be like, just a generic room. It could be your studio. It could be a parking garage. It could be the front step of your house. It could be anywhere. And look for it. Look for inspiration. Look for the way to be able to crush your creativity in the most unexpected places. What are some of the places that you've created in and found inspiration in that was unexpected? Share below in the comments. I would totally love to be able to be inspired by what you guys have done. I mean, I'm not the end all. I'm not a Wikipedia of creativity. Although I do need to do something about this crazy flock of seagulls insanity that's happening today. I need a haircut. It's really bad. I know. The struggle is real. I need a haircut. That's it. That's all I got. So, yeah. I think that's pretty much it. I don't know. See? Weird. I just kind of ripped right through that. And we're at 2 minutes and 10 seconds, and we did it. Yay! Go team. All right, so let's wrap it up with two things. You know what the first one is? If you've been following me, you definitely know. And it goes like this. Well, do it better. That's the Esquire. So that's it. And this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, we get authentic, and at times a bit weird, like this crazy hair that I have going on. And if you are a new viewer of these insane videos, make sure you click subscribe, bell, whistles, ding dong, send a raven, and you'll be notified of all of these. And if you're so brave, leave a comment below. And until next time, remember to do part 2, and that is what? You know what it is. Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Whoa. I almost fell on the couch again. Bye, guys.